Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, part 2, the combination. So in this combination, the formula is NCR. Okay, we will have N factorial over R factorial N minus R factorial. This is the formula for combination. So let's look at question number 24. We have to find the number of ways to choose 2 out of 5 storybooks on the bookshelf. So for part A, out of 5, we got to choose 2. That's it. We use this. Now we can use the calculator just to get the answer directly. Okay, so just key in 5, shift, press the button of the division. Okay, 5C2. That's it. We got 10. So there are 10 ways to choose 2 books out of 5 storybooks from the bookshelf. So that's part A. Part B, we have to determine the number of ways to select 4 representatives out of 10 students to participate in the national debate. So I choose you and me, and I choose me and you consider the same ways. Therefore, 10, just choose any 4. Okay, with the calculator, 10, choose 4. We have 210 ways to choose the 4 representatives out of the 10 students. So that's it for question number 24.